Hi there, welcome back. So today we are on the fourth day of the 12 days of JavaScript. And for this challenge, again, it's quite simple. We'll be going through this sort of problem statement here and coming up with a solution. And as always, feel free to check out the problem and the solution in the GitHub repo below. And let me know if you come up with a better solution or alternative one as well in the comments. Always nice to see how other people solve them. But yeah, so for this one, for the fourth day, we're going to write a function, isDiv by 4, which I've started here. It's an arrow function that accepts a number as an argument, and the function should return a boolean indicating whether or not the number is divisible by 4. So we just want to check if the number that we're passing in is evenly divisible by 4, and if there's no remainder, return true, and then otherwise, let's say for 7, if divisible by 4 is false. So for this, we can probably put this on one line. We could use an if statement, but it's actually nicer to use a ternary operator here. So I'm just going to return. And actually, just before I go, I'm logging out all of these examples here, and then the comment is how it should read. So if I just run this as it is, we can see we're returning undefined because we're not returning anything at the moment. So what we want to do for this one is take the number. We want to sort of divide it by 4, but actually it's this modulo operator. So that's the percentage sign here by 4. And what this will do, this will return the remainder of dividing by 4. So as you can see, the first two are 0 and 0 because 16 divided by 4 is 4. And then 18 and 7, there's a remainder number associated to them. So anything that returns 0 when it's moduloed by that number means it's evenly divisible. So all we need to do is just check with a triple equals if that number is equal to 0. And what we can do now is if I return, you can see JavaScript is calculating this and actually returning a true or false boolean anyway. So we don't have to write, actually, as I said, like true, else, false. We can get rid of all of that and it will return true or false just based on this small calculation. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense for this one. It's a really quick one for today. But if you've ever done or come across the FizzBuzz sort of interview question, or it's quite popular, you'll be aware that, yeah, you'll use this to calculate if the number is divisible by 3 or 5, or if it's both 3 and 5. So you'll do sort of a couple of checks there with this modulo operator. But yeah, that's how it works. And that is the answer that I came up with for this problem. And as I said, let me know if you have any other solutions. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.